Today, we're diving into an engaging topic that often generates discussions among fashion lovers: the comparison between luxury handbags and fine jewelry. If you had to decide between these two beautiful categories, which one would you choose? Personally, I appreciate both categories deeply, particularly luxurious handbags and exquisite jewelry made from gold, often adorned with diamonds, pearls, and other precious stones. Over the years, I've shared many videos exploring the fascinating world of handbags. My content has included unboxing videos, detailed reviews, brand comparisons, and insights into my own collection. I've also looked into fine jewelry, discussing my thoughts and experiences with these stunning pieces. When it comes to deciding between luxury handbags and fine jewelry, it's difficult as both have their unique charms. Still, if I had to choose one over the other, I would lean more towards into fine jewelry, and here's why. One significant reason is that fine jewelry embodies a timeless elegance that often transcends the latest fashion trends. A stunning piece of jewelry has the power to enhance any outfit, be it casual or formal. This versatility is why the jewelry remains a staple in many wardrobes. For instance, just think how much a simple pair of diamond earrings or a delicate gold necklace can elevate your entire look, adding a sophisticated touch without overshadowing your personal style. In contrast, luxury handbags can serve as bold statement pieces that have the potential to completely change an outfit. They come in various shapes, sizes, and colors, with each design telling its own unique story. A thoughtfully chosen handbag not only showcases your personality but also reflects your style. They are practical as well, providing a fashionable way to carry your essentials. However, it's worth noting that handbags are sometimes more trend-driven. The styles can change with the seasons, and what's stylish today might be considered outdated tomorrow. Fine jewelry, on the other hand, tends to have more longevity. While some designs may come and go, classic pieces like diamond studs or pearl necklaces retain their charm and appeal regardless of what's trending. This enduring nature makes fine jewelry a smart investment. Many people choose fine jewelry as gifts for special occasions, appreciating that these pieces often carry both sentimental and financial significance. Now, you might wonder why I would generally prefer gold jewelry over handbags. The answer is pretty simple. In emergencies, grabbing jewelry is a lot easier. You can quickly take your pieces and leave without hassle. In contrast, handbags need more space and careful handling to keep them safe and clean. While it's easy to tuck jewelry into a bag, handbags require proper care and storage to remain in good condition. While a well-maintained handbag can be a valuable asset as well, it typically demands more attention to ensure it stays in great shape. If financial difficulties arise, selling jewelry is usually a simpler process. Most people have some use for jewelry, making it easier to find potential buyers. Jewelry often carries sentimental value, being passed down through families. An heirloom piece can connect someone to their ancestry, filled with stories and cherished memories. While certain handbags can also hold personal value, they often don't evoke the emotional depth that jewelry can. Luxury handbags like Hermes, Chanel, and Louis Vuitton are good investments, but there's no guarantee that you'll recover the price you paid for them. The challenges you face are dents, leather, scuffings, scratches, and color transfer. If you don't know how to take care of them, you'll definitely lose money and won't be able to recover the investments you made if you decide to sell them later. So let's talk about cost per wear. Luxury handbags can be very expensive and they might not be worn as frequently as jewelry. A bag is often used for specific occasions or daily, but it may get less wear over time due to factors like seasonality or style trends. The maintenance to keep the bag in good shape can impact its use. Whereas with fine jewelry like a diamond or gold piece, it is often worn daily or for special events, leading to a higher cost per wear over time. They tend to be more durable, often lasting generations, and doesn't require same level of care in terms of avoiding wear and tear as handbags do. So when you calculate cost per wear, fine jewelry generally offers more value for the price because it's worn more often and lasts longer compared to luxury handbags. Moreover, we can't overlook the craftsmanship that goes into fine jewelry. Creating intricate designs require immense skill and artistry. Jewelers dedicate years to perfecting their craft, which results in pieces that are not only visually stunning but also celebrate human creativity and craftsmanship. While luxury handbags can certainly display impressive design and quality, they are often focused more on functionality and trendiness. There is no denying that luxury handbags can be quite artistic, but sometimes they aim more practicality rather than the artistry that typically defines fine jewelry. This perspective further elevates the perception of jewelry, making it feel more precious and unique. For me, I've noticed that I now crave adding to my jewelry than my bags. It feels like my obsession with bags has passed since the pandemic started. I realize I don't actually need so many bags. I'm fine with having 20 to 30 pieces because I don't even use all of them, so I don't want to add more. Maybe if there's something I truly like in the future, maybe I'll buy. But for now, I'm satisfied with what I have in my collection. My interest shifted back to gold jewelry, whether it's luxury brand or not. It's a safer investment, and I use them more often than bags. In general, the market for bags can be more volatile, while certain designer pieces like Hermes, Birkin and Kelly specifically can appreciate in value. The overall resale value for most bags isn't as stable as jewelry. Fine jewelry has a more consistent demand. So, reflecting on my own collection of jewelry, I found that my fine pieces have become increasingly cherished over time. These days, I find myself less inclined to consistently switch out bags. I just tend to stick with whatever I grab first. My lifestyle has changed, but still, I wear my daily jewelry at home. I hardly take them off even in the shower. In the end, both luxury handbags and fine jewelry have their distinct charm, attracting people for various reasons. However, if it came to making a choice, my personal preference is clearly toward fine jewelry. Its ability to combine beauty, emotion, and timelessness makes it a truly remarkable choice. Whether you're looking to invest for your own enjoyment, searching for the ideal gift, or building a stunning collection, fine jewelry emerges as a fantastic option that tells stories, evokes memories, and represents enduring beauty. So next time you're faced with the decision of luxury handbags versus fine jewelry, remember that I would choose gold or fine jewelry every time. So how about you? Which would you choose? Luxury handbags or fine jewelry? And why? Comment down below with your answers. Like this video and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure to turn on the notification bell to stay updated on my upcoming topics about jewelry. Thank you for watching and I'll see you again soon. Bye!